Hey explorers, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the Explorer Pack Adventure First Aid Kit. If you love outdoor activities like camping, hiking, hunting, or fishing, this comprehensive first aid kit is an absolute must-have. Let's dive in and explore all its incredible features. The Explorer Pack is designed by our in-house specialist team with years of experience in high-risk environments. We've used only high-quality medical-grade products, ensuring that you're equipped with the best tools for any emergency. Measuring 36 by 18 by 13 centimeters, this kit offers plenty of storage space. From bandages to ice packs, it has everything you need for first aid treatments. Plus, its hard-wearing blue bag is built to withstand the toughest adventures. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, fishing in remote areas, or engaged in any adventurous pursuit, don't get caught unprepared. The Explorer Pack ensures you're ready for any emergency that comes your way. Thanks for watching, fellow adventurers. Stay safe out there. And remember, with the Explorer Pack by your side, you can embrace every adventure with confidence. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy exploring!